Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Purina Dog Chow Complete Adult Dry Dog Food. Yeah, every now and then I like to change up my dog's food just so he has a little bit of variety. I let him eat probably about 5 to 6 different types of dog food, and Purina Dog Chow, this one is one of the ones that I use to feed my dog. First of all, what I like about it and what I think my dog really likes about it, this is one of his favorites. He eats this right up with no problem. It's dry dog food, but it's made with real chicken. I mean, anytime you have a food for your animals and it's made with like real food, like actually a meat to a dog or a cat, they're gonna love it. They take to it right away anytime it's a real meat. And he didn't have to warm up to this or anything. It was a right away thing. He really liked it a lot, and they're nice big chunks. He can crunch down on this all day long. He shouldn't, because it's not good for a dog just to eat like crazy, but he loves this. It has 23 vitamins and minerals in there, and it's really, really easy for a dog to digest this. A lot of times if you have a sensitive dog, or right now, we have a German Shepherd and a Chihuahua dog. My German Shepherd is the one that eats this the most, and his stomach is not sensitive, but our Chihuahua dog, his stomach is sensitive, but he still can eat this. A lot of times you'll get a dog that, has a sensitive stomach. This is very easy for them to digest. It's not a problem at all. And it helps build the immune system, which is always good, fighting all those bad things that a dog can get. And just it's balanced, a balanced meal for your dog. And especially what I kind of like about the dog chow, although the dog chow has the food in it that the dogs like, but I notice on the back of the box, it has a chart here that shows you actually a picture of the dogs on what your dog should look like, and it shows it what it looks like if it's too thin, and what is the ideal, and if he's too heavy, and what to do about it. So this is good. That's good looking out for the company that actually makes this. It's a good way to think about the consumer, and a lot of times people actually don't have any idea on what is the ideal weight and when your dog is too heavy. So it's a good way to actually, keep tabs on how a dog's supposed to look. And it gives you an actual picture to compare your dog to the picture. So yeah, I think that's a real good way to, keep your customers coming back and, and appreciative of information all they can, because your dog is like your kid sometimes, and you have to kind of treat them as so. And all of the information you can get for your healthy dog, to keep your dog healthy, I should say, is appreciated. So I like that about this. Yeah. So yeah, this is a really good dog food. I've used it for, oh boy, dog chow, man, probably for about between 4 and 5 years now. And like I said, my dog took to it right away. Some dogs are finicky with certain foods. I've totally had that experience. Dogs just don't eat anything, at least not the dogs that I've had. A lot of times they do eat a lot of different stuff, but I've had dog food that my dogs just did not like. But this is not one of them. It's a really, really good, dog food that dogs really like. I used to have a golden retriever that really loved this. This is like, it was it for him. Yeah. So, okay. I hope you guys use this information. Purina Dog Chow has always been a part of our group of dog foods that we give our dogs, and it'll continue to be. All right, so we're talking about the Purina Dog Chow, the complete adult dog food. Yeah. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I will talk to you again soon. All right, bye-bye.